Hi, today's solution is concerning what we can put into a meeting room, classroom or lecture theatre where we want to be able to connect laptops and other sources easily and extend to an in-room projector or your display. So we have the SY Electronics MFT-31C. Now this is a 3-input switch, it has with one USB, 2 HDMI inputs, and the inputs can be switched either manually or automatically. If we look on the back, you'll see that it has an HD base T output because this is an HD base T transmitter. You can fit on the wall or into a lectern or on a desk. So let's connect it up and we'll see exactly how we get on, how it works. So we'll connect power into it. It comes with a power supply. We'll just connect that into the back like so. You'll connect this to the structured cat cabling within your building. We're using a patch cable just to demonstrate it. So that goes in the back. Then at the other end where your display is, you'll have your HD base T receiver, which is the SY version, which will be powered from our MFT-31. And then we've got an HDMI out to our display. So let's connect in a source. We've got our laptop here, so I'll connect that into the front and we'll see that it detects the input and we'll get a picture coming up on our display. There we go, there's our laptop. So what happens if we put another source in? Well, we've got our test pattern generator on this other HDMI cable, so we'll connect that in. It sensed the input, it's switched to this other input now. There we go, there's our other source. So you can select manually or automatically. So let's press the source button and it will switch to the other live input. It will go back to our laptop and there it is. Press again and it will switch back to our test pattern generator. So that's what you can do. For use in your classrooms, lecture theatres, meeting rooms and so on, a very flexible device has a multitude of uses. Connect your HDMI USB sources over 70 metres of cable at 1080p or 40 metres running at 4K to your remote displays and projectors. Available from SY Electronics.